We are tracking our lead. It is still technically a tropical storm, but it is a much weaker system. I mean, this is all that's left. This thing is not even going to survive, I think, the day tomorrow before becoming just a leftover area of low pressure here. But there's the 40-mile-an-hour winds, and I think this is going to be one of the last advisories where we have a tropical storm. This will be downgraded to a depression and then a remnant low. Look at the winds there diminishing by tomorrow. And if you were watching us earlier, we had even a Sunday track a little further south and east, but Hurricane Center is stopping the cone there because that's about where it's going to fall apart. So that is excellent news for you and me. All right, let's check in on radar network, though, because the moisture that has been in the Gulf associated with this big trough here continues to pool towards South Florida. And that for you and me means tomorrow we're still game for showers and thunderstorms. In fact, we still have that flood watch that's been extended because some of the thunderstorms that develop are going to put down significant amounts of rainfall. It's just not going to be widespread, and it's not going to be raining every minute. So let's track it for you here hour by hour. Now, this is just for tonight. I want to show you the showers and storms rolling through the Keys. This is new information, right? So the model is insisting on this beginning to lift up to the north. Watch the clock. If you're up early enough anyway, between 6 o'clock, we're going to get this batch of showers that's going to move through. They're going to be moderate showers at times, and then we're going to be able to clear things out for a few hours before we get back into afternoon thunderstorms. That's the way it's going to go. And because we've rained so heavily over the last few days, and because of additional heavier rainfall tomorrow, still the flood watch now extended through the end of the day on Saturday. So this tropical moisture still hanging out with us on Saturday. The storm coverage will begin to diminish a bit as we head into Sunday. I still think we'll have plenty of storms in the afternoon. It won't be until early next week, and that's something to look forward to. You see that on the 7-day. Drier conditions beginning to move in, and so the rain chances are going to come down. So again, there's that batch of rain. I'll roll this through in the afternoon, so you'll be able to see again between 4 o'clock. You see the heavier weather beginning to move in. Then we transition again into overnight rain across the Keys, and we'll repeat on Sunday afternoon with another round of showers and thunderstorms before we do get into that nicer pattern coming up. So weekend planner goes this way with rain chances high through the afternoon. If you have plans very early in the morning or very late in the day, that's when we'll get into the storms. In between, I think we'll get a nice break of sunshine. That'll be the case as well as we head into Sunday. There's your 7-day forecast. Next alert for that flood watch that continues, and then there's that drier and hotter pattern, by the way, heading into next week with high temperatures back to near 90. CBS News Miami continues next.